KJ, KB, We are at El Matador Beach. We're all here. My dad's parking the car, and I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's not even that cold. Are you recording? Yes, you are. I missed all the moments that Isabel and Roman went boogie boarding, and they fell in the waves. We did some rock skipping. I skipped one rock twice. I found a very odd rock. It was the shape of downstairs for a man. Yes, I found a rock that looked just like that. Now we're gonna go visit something called a cave, and Roman is going to continue skipping rocks. Say hi, Roman. There you go. And Isabel is supposed to be coming soon. And here we are, going to the uncharted unknown. Holy crap, that thing's tiny. You don't want to go?
Wait, I want to see.
Oh my! It's so far back there, you can't see anything. And then when this water comes in, it's really gonna squish you in there. What? I can't see you! Roman's in the way.
Yes, I'm in here.
Whoa! Watch out, water's coming in. That's creepy looking.
There's a cave all the way here. Hey!
Hi, Roman. And there's a sorority here. Wow! Oh, hi, birdies. And Isabel. Dang. How did you get up there? I know, but I don't want to hurt my feet.
What?
I don't want to hurt my feet.
It's not. It doesn't hurt.
I don't see enemies. Where? Ow! That hurts! That man out there is parasailing or something like that. Paddle sailing, paddle sailing. Thank you. That's hard. Like really hard to do. I got a sand crab. There's another one down here. There's a dozen of them. Oh my god, there's a lot.
Watch.
Whoa! Oh, they all just come out of the water. Oh, you can't see that. You can barely see it. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, that's a lot.
They're kind of creepy.
I love them. I love them. This one's crawling in my hand. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I have about like 8 or 9 in my hand right now, and they're all little babies. They tickle my hand so much. And my hair's a mess.
Yeah.
That's a little pig. Hi! Oh, hello! My dad has done a good deed.